Let's begin.
So this is our project, flame detection IoT based. So component we are using here are flame sensor. Second is Arduino Uno microcontroller. Then ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, this one. And then we have to connect all these things together like this. And another sensor we have is not the sensor, one module, sound sensor, or you can say sound module. Then we have flame capacitor to smooth the supply, USB cable. Okay, all things are covered. One LED and one resistor. Resistor 1 kilo ohm to protect LED from 5 volt. So LED need 5 milliampere of current, and more current will flow, so resistance will protect that current. And this is the hardware we are using. Okay, so hardware, yes, so hardware will be like this. USB cable, Arduino is on, and this is your buzzer, this is your LED, ESP8266, and flame sensor. One more sensor here is Wi-Fi module, that is ESP Wi-Fi module, Wi-Fi module only. Okay, I've already written. And this pin we have to short. This pin 3.3 volt and channel ID. Okay, so that this device will be enabled. And LED is this, and resistance is this one, and your buzzer capacitor to smooth the circuit. And this one is a USB cable. So right now I'm using power bank, okay, to operate the project like this. Okay, now we will see the output of on internet, how it will work. And circuit also, let me explain you. This way we have to connect the circuit like ESP, this, ground, TX, RX, in opposite direction it will be used so that they can communicate with each other. Power supply, LED indicator, buzzer. Then the initially value of this buzzer will be low, and when heat is detected, or you can say flame is detected, then it will show high value of the buzzer, so buzzer will make sound. And this is a flame sensor. That's it. And output you will see on your phone now. So device is on. So open this. Okay. So first we have to create this hotspot here. We have to create one hotspot, and after hotspot, this device will be connected. Here one device will be connected. It will show here that one device is connected. We have to wait for some seconds. After a few seconds, it will show one device is connected. डिवाइस ऑफ ही नहीं, बहुत जल्दी लगा दिया मैंने. अब वेट. Okay, so as you can see, device is connected now. Now show it here. After that, we have to open this app. Okay, wait. Now we have to open this app, and we have to wait. Once it is properly connected to the server, it will open. Okay, like this. You can see the output. Now I have to use flame sensor. Okay, you can see the output now. Okay, this will turn to red, and this will make sound. Okay, at device level, like where the device is, that will also make sound, and phone app will also make sound. You can monitor the app, you can put app in some places, and you can regularly monitor that particular place. So if fire comes, this will make sound. Okay, yeah, so that's the project.
Hello everyone, we are from 𝗩𝗵𝗿𝗺𝗍, New Delhi, India. We develop
research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Zyra Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.